Welcome to our comparison video between the PlayStation 5 Slim and the original PlayStation 5 regular. Today, we'll dive into the differences and similarities between these two consoles. First up, let's talk dimensions. The PlayStation 5 Slim takes the crown for compactness, standing at 96mm tall, 358mm wide, and 216mm deep. Meanwhile, the original PS5 flexes its bulkier frame at 104mm in height, 390mm in width, and 260mm in depth. The PS5 Slim console is 8.5 cm smaller in total. In terms of weight, the Slim sheds some pounds compared to its predecessor. At 358mm x 216mm, it's lighter and more manageable, perfect for those who prioritize portability. In addition, they managed to reduce approximately half a kilo in the new version of PS5. Moving on to storage capacity, both consoles offer lightning-fast SSDs. However, the Slim boasts a larger storage capacity, ensuring you have ample space for all your games and media. The SSD capacity of the Slim version is approximately 181 GB more. In terms of build, the Slim opts for a sleek design with its choice of materials, while the original PS5 boasts a robust build that exudes durability. Another notable distinction between the two versions lies in their outer shell. While the original PS5 boasts a sturdy and thick white plastic material, the PS5 Slim opts for thinner and more flexible upper plastic components. When we examine the heat control of both consoles, we observe that the regular version reaches up to 41 degrees Celsius in external measurements, whereas the Slim version climbs to 46 degrees Celsius. That's a difference of 5 degrees Celsius, indicating slightly higher heat generation in the Slim variant. When it comes to fan noise, the PS4 Slim had its fair share of chatter due to heating issues. However, in the comparison between the PS5 and PS5 Slim, there's no discernible difference in fan noise. The only distinction lies in how quickly the fan ramps up in the Slim version due to console heat buildup, which results in a slight increase in noise. Nevertheless, this uptick in noise isn't particularly bothersome. In terms of speed, both consoles perform similarly, offering fast loading times and smooth gameplay experiences. As far as I tested in the FC24 game, the Slim console is slightly faster. For the modern gamer, connectivity is key. In the Slim version, a second C-type USB port has been added instead of the classic USB. Last but not least, let's not forget about ergonomics. The Slim's console feet cater to horizontal setups. However, the regular PS5 stand is much larger. If you're looking for a PlayStation that you can easily take with you on vacation or to your friend's place, the Slim version offers a compelling option with a few minor upgrades. Stay tuned as we explore the portability and convenience of the PS5 Slim.